Hello my lovelies, and Lalia from Sanskriti Kolkata is back with our latest collection of tissues. Thoda hatke along with Paithani sarees. So I'll start with the first one. Now as you see, today's tissues थोड़ा हटके जैसे मैंने बताया आपको, ये वाला प्योर टिश्यू है जो गोल्ड जरी का वीविंग है, लाइट वेट सॉफ्ट. दीज आर प्लेन टिश्यू पोथ्स. उसमें हमने प्योर उपाड़ा हैंड वोवन बॉर्डर्स और पल्लू अटैच किया है. नंबर 1, 9,900 फ्लैट रेट. These borders and pallu are so gorgeous. Just simple concept है. इसमें कोई बूटा, कोई भी टिश्यू में, पहली first few tissues that I'll be showing will not have any bootas. The sarees will be all lovely woven, and mainly it will have the border pallu concept sarees. So this is the saree with a turquoise, and the border is a resham woven pure upada. The border is also a hand woven saree. Along with this you get a fancy woven blouse piece. So ये है इसका concept. आप जो ये turquoise border देख रहे हैं, ये hand woven है, लेकिन इसमें जरी नहीं है. ये बॉर्डर में तो पाइपिंग दिया हुआ है, लेकिन ये जो बॉर्डर का जो वीव है, ये प्योर हैंड वोवन रेशम बॉर्डर है, जो बॉर्डर कॉन्सेप्ट से हमने वीव किया है. एंड दिस इज द पल्लू. साड़ी नंबर 1. सो टिश्यू विद बॉर्डर कॉन्सेप्ट. नंबर 2, वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. You know, the best part of this is age no bar for these sarees. Anybody can wear these sarees and any age. So be it a formal occasion or an evening wear, a day wear, a mother, a daughter, the sister-in-law, the in-law, anyone can wear these sarees. They are so sober and so gorgeous. Traditional sarees with pure woven attached border. These borders are 100% silk handloom borders, जिसके वजह से इतना richness और जान आया हर साड़ी में. इसके साथ ये आपका ये ऑरेंज ब्लाउज दे रहे हैं हम. 1 मीटर का ब्लाउज है और इसमें ये बॉर्डर अटैच्ड होगा. So all these tissues, I'll quickly show the color combinations. पूरा साड़ी बस प्लेन ही है, इसमें सिर्फ बॉर्डर का खूबिया है. बॉर्डर कॉन्सेप्ट sarees, as I said, this is the pallu. See, so smart gold, lightweight, beautiful tissues, and here is the blouse piece. है ना हटके, जैसे मैंने बताया, not the regular चमकीला type tissues. These have a traditional touch with a modern twist. प्लेन टिश्यू, उसमें थोड़ा कोटा टिश्यू कोटा था. ये प्लेन टिश्यू है गोल्ड, और देखिए 100% हैंड वोवन हैंडलूम सिल्क बॉर्डर. ये सब बॉर्डर आजकल मिलता कहाँ है. बहुत मेहनत का, मतलब ये बॉर्डर वीव करवाना कारीगर से महीनों तक, यही सबसे मेरा मतलब it was very very hectic to convince the karigar to weave these kind of borders. And here goes the blouse piece. ये सब अगर पूरा सिल्क में वीविंग होता डायरेक्टली, साड़ी का रेंज 20,000 से नीचे नहीं हो पाता, क्योंकि ये बॉर्डर बहुत डिफरेंट बॉर्डर है। ये जो आप देख रहे हैं ये रेशम का, जूट का विद उपाड़ा एंड प्योर मतलब प्योर सिल्क में ये पूरा हैंडलूम का वीविंग, ये सब अगर कतान में होता तो 20 के ऊपर होता है, 20,000 प्लस। बट टू गिव इट look of a rich gold tissue Banarasi with budget range depending on the blouse, इतना सारा जो हम custom make किया, please let me know। थोड़ा धक धक कर रहे हमारा दिल, आपका कमेंट्स मुझे मोटिवेट करेगा। नहीं पसंद आएगा तो भी लिखिए कि नहीं पसंद आया, पसंद आया तो लिखिए, नहीं पसंद आया नो तो भी लिखिए क्यों नहीं पसंद आया इसको। तो ये वाला पर्पल के साथ बॉर्डर है, हर बॉर्डर डिफरेंट है, और साड़ी का टिश्यू भी थोड़ा अलग अलग वैरायटी ऑफ टिश्यूज हम दिखाएंगे दिस बॉर्डर कॉन्सेप्ट साड़ी के लिए। वैरायटी ऑफ टिश्यूज, नाउ दिस इज अ गोल्ड वन, हियर कम्स द पिंक टिश्यू, pink and red, very festive, sober, soothing color, pink and red tissue। देखिए ये जो बॉर्डर देख रहे हैं ये भी रेशम का है, हैंड वोवन बॉर्डर है, ये आर्ट बाय ये सब नहीं है, ये प्योर रेशम का बॉर्डर है जो अटैच वीविंग है, और इसके साथ ये आगे आपका ब्लाउज। सिंपल साड़ी बट बहुत खूबसूरत है। Actually border cost even and the blouse piece cost is a bit higher, so but the concept and the look and the it's very different। ये आ गया और एक वैरायटी का टिश्यू जिसमें थोड़ा सा बूटी वाला है। हाँ, ये ग्रीन का टच है, इसमें थोड़ा थोड़ा छोटा छोटा बूटाज है जरी का। नैरो टेम्पल बॉर्डर, साड़ी इटसेल्फ ही गॉर्जियस है, इसके लिए टेम्पल बॉर्डर का उपाड़ा, टेम्पल बॉर्डर अटैच्ड है, सोबर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, और इसके साथ देखिए और भी सोबर बहुत सुंदर ये कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, 2 शेड्स ऑफ ग्रीन, तो एक डिफरेंट लुक दे रहा है ना। ये सब साड़ी इन हाउस प्रोडक्शन है, इस टाइप का कॉम्बिनेशंस, वीविंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, आई टेल यू, बिकॉज इवन द बॉर्डर्स हैव बीन woven, customized for this kind of concept। Actually I love wearing these border sarees, you know, plain sarees with nice rich border। ये कोई ओकेशन नहीं लगता है, ये कभी भी आपको क्या पहनना है, जब आपको सोचना पड़े कि मेरा एक ओकेशन है क्या पहनूं क्या पहनूं, आप कभी भी ये सब साड़ी पहनकर चले जाइए, मतलब इट विल बी ऑलवेज अ हिट। ब्लाउज संस्कृति address 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19। It's near the Citizen Park, Sundays closed, and the other branch is near the Baliganj railway station, 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station। Cash on service delivery is provided only for Kolkata। Outside Kolkata you have to pay in the bank or Paytm or GPay or whichever, and then we will courier it। This is a bit satin finish tissue, थोड़ा soft finish है, chinon tissue, chinon, and look at the pallu। We've kept a flat rate, actually थोड़ा थोड़ा रेंज में किसी किसी में अप डाउन हुआ है, जिसमें पल्ला ज्यादा है उसमें थोड़ा सा पल्ला हेवी पल्ला में, बट फिर भी we've tried to keep a flat rate। This is the blouse piece, very much like I'm wearing an upara blouse। See, this is a chota buta with the border। So बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस हम आपको दे रहे। देखिए ये पिंक के साथ रानी, सामन पिंक, बहुत सोबर है, कितना सुंदर इसका कलर्स है। तो आप दिन में भी इस टाइप का टिश्यूज पहन सकते हैं। और ब्लाउज स्टिच करवाना हो तो कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग हैं आपके लिए। आप पेमेंट के बाद we'll connect you to the tailoring department where you can stitch the blouses. तो इसका प्राइस थोड़ा सा हाई है because of the blouse and also for the border. So we take 2 weeks time for blouse stitching and we'll courier it to you, and if you once we have the measurements, and I'm sure you will get a very good fit even virtually, which you can see from our reviews. You can check out our WhatsApp status for notifications, reviews and announcements, your pictures. Send your pictures wearing our sarees. We'll upload in the Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. And as of now, we are having regular collection because Puja stock is already being on the process. We are already started working on the Pujo collection. These sarees are very traditional. You must have one for your Shaptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, any of the days. These kind of sarees, they look lovely, you know, very, very wearable and different. Such a gorgeous, this almost my color combination. This is really beautiful. So I have this green, same fabric. All these are tissue woven sarees base and it's super soft. The border has just lines of pure silk upara borders. This has been attached to give it a different look. This is pure silk upara. Very flowy fabric. Color is a viridian green. Comes with this blouse piece. Every shade is unique. Next is the one that I'm wearing. Similar type like the green. That was green. This is a dark maroon color. I love these kind of border sarees. I just love, and especially when is this kind of a base of white color is just very me type. So here is the blouse piece for this price, 10,900. The neck piece that I'm wearing, maroon garnet type neck piece, 4,300 is the price, and it comes with this earring. $4,300, the mala with the earring set, and the pair of bangle, 2,200 with multicolored stones. Pair of bangle, 2/4 size, 2/6 also available, 2,200 pair. My saree price 10,900. Next is this red border saree, Pujo special. And these lovely weaving of this flower, red and green on zari. This is so pretty, very gorgeous, unique border. And here comes the blouse piece. Just take the screenshot and don't message in multiple numbers. If you're messaging to 7603042696 where you got the confirmation, then also your payment details should be sent to that number. If you send your payment details to 2-3 numbers, there will be a confusion. Your parcel will be on hold. Please send the payment details from where you got the confirmation. And send your name, address, telephone number, PIN code where it needs to be shipped. Shipping charges you need to pay, cash on delivery in Kolkata. And we will courier it to you within 8 to 9 days. You will get the delivery. This is beautiful. traditional combination in a lovely woven sari, soft tissue organza. The base is with organza with gold zari tissue weave, and here goes the tissue buttas as well. Okay, if I'm not explained before about this stripe texture, this is a soft organza where you have this gold zari lines and this kind of a silverish gold butta. This gold butta is more shinier than the stripes, subtle stripe weave, and the butta weave is little brighter. And here is the border. My fabric is same also. Just amazing. And here goes the blouse piece. Again, now moving on to a different variety of tissue with a broader stripe. Soft organza, tissue weave in a broader texture. Border, the stripe will be broader. Those were finer. Now little broader. So this also gives a different look with a hot pink hand woven upara border with resham and zari. Fall will be very good. Don't worry about the fall. Excellent fall with a contrast rich blouse piece. So here you go. Lovely. Blouse for this is also so gorgeous. Even this is a green red, a green deep red and gold black. What a lovely set of colors in this tissue. If you want to see more options of other variety, we can arrange for video call. Now I'll show just a few party wear sarees, because throughout the year party wear sarees is always in demand, those who like to wear cocktail sarees. So this is a very nice georgette with checkered sequence, self sequence embroidery in shaded concept. So upper part will be lighter and it's a deep to light, comes with this wine color blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. So when I drape it, here goes the look of the sari. Halka se dark ho ja rahe upar mein. This is the sari. है ना सुंदर, लाइट वेट प्योर जॉर्जेट. Lime to olive. Blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the sleek sequin border. कैसे लगा ये कॉन्सेप्ट? लाइट वेट है, पार्टी वेयर के लिए बहुत सुंदर है. ये देखिए बैक साइड, तो थोड़ा पता चलेगा फिनिशिंग कैसा होगा ये सीक्वेंस का. ये हो गया बैक साइड. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल. देखते देखते भूल मत जाइएगा, जाते वक्त एंड तक देखिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. संस्कृति कोलकाता, वी आर कमिंग अप विद न्यू वीडियोज इन फेसबुक लाइव, संस्कृति कोलकाता फेसबुक पेज, और इंस्टा पेज. वॉच आउट फॉर आवर रील्स. बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है आजकल रील्स में, अप टू डेट रहने के लिए कितना कॉन्सेप्ट निकालना पड़ता है. सो थोड़ा सा अप्रिसिएशन तो बनता है. आप देखिए उसको थोड़ा शेयर कीजिएगा. So supporting small scale business. This is again a all sequined sari with chicken work, and the sequence used is the transparent, the self on self sequence, jol chumki that we say, water sequence, deep to light, peach color with a fuchsia in the lower part. This is the sari. Many Bollywood stars have worn these kind of saris, many heroines, and here is the full look of the sari. Very pretty, comes with this blouse piece. Since the sari is with sequins, we've kept the blouse subtle. So nice sari, huh? Total, these are party wear saris for cocktails, sangeet, आप पहन सकते हो. Now again moving on to other weaves. This is khadi georgette in red, keeping in mind the upcoming festive season and the weddings, anniversaries. $6990 budget wise. It's a very gorgeous sari. It is finished with lace, gota and jal weave. This is the blouse piece. Khadi georgette, $6990 in scarlet. Semi mushroom all over weaving, a very pretty shade again. It's a coral color, lovely piece. Semi mushroom, number 21. Semi mushroom, number 21. And see the finishing, how we've done the finishing, the back side. Flowy fabric with a lovely fall. Another one in semi mushroom is this purple, the color of the season. After few Bollywood stars have worn these purple color, it's become a total hit from the past year. Before, people were very reluctant in wearing purple, including me. I also always thought that purple would not look nice on me. But on draping purple with full purple, these kind of purple shades, they look very pretty actually. And best is the softness of the sari, na? Mushroom, semi mushroom, it's a satin finish sari with all over zari weave, and range wise also very nice. Now I'll show you some pure tissue patani weaves. Banarasi weave are one of the best sellers. We make variety of weaves, patani weaves in pure tissue like this, with Meena and a brocade gorgeous blouse piece. From the zari, you can already understand the richness of the sari, the weave, the texture. This kind of gold weaves are a must in your wardrobe. Everybody will, ask you from where you got the sari, and don't forget to say Sanskriti. Very pretty here. Both sides will have the Meena Patni border, same width, and jal weaving in the body as well. All comes with blouse pieces matching, and the tassels. Lovely sari, gold jal weave. With Meena. This is Jal Meena. So you can understand, the first one was a narrow upper border, Munia border, and Meena lower border, broader. Then came both sides same border. Now Jal body Meena and body a border same gold. No Meena in the border. So all different concept. This is beautiful. Loads of chummas to my weaver. These are really good. Just amazing sarees. Katan. Katan, pure Katan silk with patni woven border made in Banaras. Blouse piece running. No boota in the blouse piece, body comes with boota. न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट, थोड़ा ध्यान से देखिए. Pure Tussar Munia woven border. Pure Tussar woven Munia border in very, very classy shade. Comes with this blouse piece in this jade green color and the patni woven palla. कैसे लगा? Sanskriti comes up with regular new concept, directly working with the weavers throughout India. Different states of India, we are directly associated with the weavers to bring out new concepts and new designs of hand-woven saris. And here comes another exclusive pure tussar, patni woven munia border contrast blouse and a patni palla. Similar concept done in raw silk. So choose your sari. Peacock blue. Contrast patni woven border. Palla contrast, border same with blouse piece. Very grand pallu. Super pallu. See the back side to see the weave. Can you see the weaving back side? Done. Moving on to little fusion saris in tissue patni. Now this is not weaving. The patni designs that we see, inspired from the patni weaves, has been done this thread work. Thread work in soft tissue, pure tissue with embroidery, blouse piece, मुनिया embroidered blouse piece. And आप जो ये गोल्ड पूरा देख रहे हो ना, ये पूरा एम्ब्रॉयडरी से है, ये वीविंग नहीं है. But you can also wear it with a contrast blouse. But this blouse is also very nice with munia embroidery. This is the sari. Very, very pretty, very classy, flowy fabric, very, very gorgeous, very gorgeous. बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी नहीं होने से इतना काम हम लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो आप भी एक फिनिशिंग देखिए कितना नीटली ये काम हुआ है. Now I'll show you a simple sari, very lightweight. सॉफ्ट जॉर्जेट ऑर्गेन्जास, ये स्टिफ नहीं है, एकदम सॉफ्ट है, नॉट सी थ्रू लाइक द प्लेन ऑर्गेन्जास। इसमें एक धागा जॉर्जेट का है, इसलिए आपको ये सॉफ्टनेस आ रहा है। 4990 ओनली। और जरी गॉर्जियस जरी है, जो आजकल ये सब जरी बहुत यूज होता है डिजाइनर साड़ीज में। आई विल नॉट नेम एनीबडी, बट ये साड़ीज, ये सब जरी डिजाइनर साड़ीज में बहुत यूज होता है। इसके साथ आपके एक चिन ऑन ब्लाउज आ रहा है और साड़ी है बहुत नाइस साड़ी है। 4990 सुपर सॉफ्ट लाइट वेट जॉर्जेट ऑर्गेन्जा विद जरी वीव, very classy yet party wear look। 4990 नंबर 30। और इसके साथ ये आ गया पल्ला। इसी ऑप्शन हम और एक दो दे रहे हैं आपको, वो है ये व्हाइट कलर। That one was a butter color, light butter color. Now comes the white color and then comes the mint color. 4990. These kind of flowy soft fabrics everybody loves. Everybody likes to have sarees with lightweight. You can carry even for carrying, to some other places. तो suitcase में भी आपका weight भी कम होगा। हल्का साड़ी है लेकिन बहुत gorgeous है। This is the white color of the saree with tassels, and then here comes the sweet sober color, light sky type का mint green color है, pastel shade। कैसे लगा आज का एपिसोड जरूर कमेंट कीजिए, और जैसे हमने बताया थोड़ा सा याद करके सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। थैंक यू सो मच। नमस्कार।